Imagine two friends, same age, same job, same salary, and after years of saving, both of them finally have $10,000, enough to buy their first real car. Neither of them knows it yet. But one decision is about to change the next 5 years of their lives. Let's call them Alex and Ben. They both love cars. Every lunch break, they're scrolling through Facebook Marketplace. BMWs, Audis, Mercedes. Dream cars they've wanted since they were teenagers. One Friday afternoon, Alex sends a message. I found it. A beautiful black BMW E46, 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, the perfect spec. He buys it the very next day. Everyone loves it. His friends ask for rides. People turn around when they hear it start. For the first time, he feels like he owns something special. Ben makes a different choice. Instead of buying his dream car, he buys a silver Toyota Corolla. Nothing exciting. No one asks for pictures. Nobody says, wow. It's just a Toyota. Alex laughs. You'll regret buying something so boring. Ben smiles. Maybe. The first few months. Alex has the better life. Weekend drives, car meets, late-night cruises. Every tunnel becomes an excuse to hear the engine. He can't stop smiling. Meanwhile, Ben is simply driving to work, changing the oil, filling the tank. Nothing interesting happens. Then, something changes. A warning light appears on Alex's dashboard. It's probably nothing. A week later. The mechanic calls. The repair costs almost a month's salary. He pays it. It won't happen again. A month later. Another repair. Then another. Then new tires. Insurance. Unexpected maintenance. Little by little. The money disappears. Ben still isn't driving an exciting car. But every month, he has money left. Instead of visiting repair shops, he starts visiting new places. A weekend in the mountains. A road trip with friends. Camping. A hiking trip. He buys a camera. Starts learning new skills. His car isn't giving him stories. His life is. 2001 Saturday. The two friends meet for coffee. Alex parks his freshly repaired BMW. It still looks incredible. Ben arrives in the same old Corolla. Alex laughs. I still think your car is boring. Ben smiles. You're probably right. Then he opens his phone. Photos from mountain peaks, road trips, sunrises, new friends, camping nights. Places Alex kept postponing because something always needed fixing. 5 years pass. Alex still owns a beautiful BMW. He doesn't regret buying it. Every drive still makes him smile. But looking back, he realizes something. He spent years maintaining his dream, instead of living it. Ben also doesn't regret his choice. His Corolla never became his dream car, but it quietly helped him build his dream life. Hanians, here's the thing. This isn't really a story about BMWs or Toyotas. It's about priorities. When you're in your 20s, every dollar matters. Every weekend matters. Every opportunity matters. Sometimes, the most expensive thing you can buy isn't the car itself. It's everything you have to give up to keep it. Does that mean you should never buy your dream car? Of course not. Dream cars exist for a reason. They're emotional. They're exciting. They're unforgettable. But timing matters. Maybe your 20s aren't the best time to own your dream car. Maybe they're the best time to build the life that will let you enjoy that dream without sacrificing everything else. Because one day, you'll probably own the car you've always wanted. The question is, will you have a life that's just as exciting, or will all of your best memories be sitting in a repair shop waiting room? The best car in your 20s isn't always the one that turns the most heads. Sometimes. It's the one that quietly takes you everywhere your future is waiting.